Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Callus Removers is probably one of the most sought-after products for those seeking relief from painful and unsightly calluses on their feet. Today, we will be reviewing the top-rated Callus Removers on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect solution for your foot care needs. Number 5. Colossal Foot Rasp Foot File. Introducing the Colossal Foot Rasp, your new secret weapon for soft, smooth feet. It effortlessly removes hard skin and calluses, leaving your feet feeling pampered and renewed. This versatile tool works wonders on both wet and dry feet, giving you the flexibility to use it anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for your daily foot care routine. With its large, lightweight design, it's easy to use and provides quick, amazing smoothness. You'll be amazed at how easily it removes even the toughest calluses. Made from durable, high-grade stainless steel, it's built to last. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliable results for years to come. While it's a sharp tool, remember to use it gently. It's designed for effortless removal of dead skin and calluses without harsh scrubbing or pressure. Achieve salon-quality results at home with minimal effort. It's the perfect solution for dry, calloused, and cracked heels, leaving your feet feeling soft and beautiful. What we like? It's made of high-grade stainless steel, ensuring longevity. Its design lets you achieve smooth feet quickly and easily. If you prefer a simple, effective solution for wet or dry feet, this is the one for you. What people say. The high-grade stainless steel surface is super effective. It removed layers of dry, cracked skin effortlessly, and without irritation. I used it on both wet and dry feet, and it performed beautifully every time. The file itself is large and easy to grip, making the process quick and surprisingly satisfying. In just one use, my heels went from rough and callous to incredibly soft and smooth. It's sharp but not too sharp. Is wise and long enough to make a difference at any angle, and lasts through a lot of uses. Number 4. PRITECH Electric Foot File. It's a quick and easy way to get a professional pedicure at home. Simply recharge it for a few hours and enjoy up to 45 minutes of cordless use. This handy device is IPX6 waterproof, so you can rinse it clean under running water. Avoid submerging it for extended periods for best results. With 2 speeds and 3 roller attachments, it's powerful yet safe for all skin types. Use it after a bath for best results. Give the gift of soft, beautiful feet. It saves time and money compared to professional pedicures, making it a thoughtful present for yourself or someone special. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us immediately, and we'll find a solution for you. What we like? This cordless device offers convenient, on-the-go foot care. It's completely waterproof for worry-free cleaning. If you value convenience and powerful performance, this rechargeable option is perfect for you. What people say. From the very first use, I was impressed by how quickly it worked to remove rough, stubborn calluses. The device is super easy to use and feels gentle on the skin, but still delivers excellent results. The different attachment heads are great for targeting different areas of the foot. I particularly love the coarser head for my heels, which tend to get the most calloused. After using it, my feet feel smooth and soft, almost like I've had a professional pedicure. Works well. Buffed off dry skin and callus well. Has several attachments. It's not painful at all. Number 3. Electric Foot Callus Remover. This kit has everything you need for a professional pedicure at home. It includes the electric callus remover, replacement rollers, a cleaning brush, and exfoliating foot scrubbers, saving you time and money. It features 3-quart sand grinding heads and 2 speeds to tackle different types of calluses. You can easily adjust the speed for a comfortable and safe experience. The long-lasting battery provides up to 90 minutes of use on a single charge. A handy light and battery indicator let you know how much power is left. It's IPX4 waterproof, so you can easily rinse it clean under running water. This makes post-shower foot care a breeze. This makes a thoughtful gift for friends and family. It's a convenient and effective way to maintain healthy feet. What we like? It comes with multiple attachments to address various callus types. The adjustable speed settings ensure safe and controlled removal. If you want a comprehensive, long-lasting solution with multiple features, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Callus Remover works great, super powerful but gentle enough to use comfortably, and I love that it comes with different roller heads and 2 speed settings. The high speed takes care of tough calluses fast, while the low speed is perfect for more sensitive areas. Powerful motor and multiple roller heads make exfoliating easy. Because it's pretty much effortless, I just press the button and let the rollers do all the scrubbing. I just do it and SERME an immediate difference. So, bottom line, it's easy to use and I see instant results. Number 2. Colossal Foot Rasp and Shaver Kit. This kit is designed to give you salon-quality pedicures from the comfort of your home. It's easy to use and will leave your feet feeling soft and smooth. Its stainless steel surface effectively removes dead skin and calluses. The unique handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. This shaver precisely removes calluses and hard skin with its 0.5 mm gap. The removable head makes cleaning and replacement simple. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, it's rust and water resistant, perfect for wet or dry use. It's also washable and reusable for long-lasting use. Get professional results without the salon cost. Regular use will keep your feet baby soft and beautiful. It's a wonderful gift for yourself or others. We offer 24/7 customer support. Contact us with any questions or suggestions. We're here to help you. What we like. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip during use. The replaceable heads ensure long-term effectiveness. If you appreciate comfort and value reusability, this is a great option. What people say. The Rasp is large and sturdy, making it easy to cover more surface area quickly. The wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to control while using. It works well on dry or damp feet, and after a few uses, my heels felt noticeably smoother. The grater works really well on my toe calluses. I can grate the whole protruding callus off and it looks a ton better and it takes away the callus pain. Number 1. Foot Callus Remover Gel. Transform your foot care routine with this powerful callus remover gel. It's designed for effective, salon-quality results from the comfort of your home, saving you time and money. Soften even severe calluses in just 3 to 5 minutes. It works quickly, making it perfect for busy schedules and effortless foot care. This specialized gel enhances the effectiveness of your favorite foot scrubber or pumice stone. It helps to remove calluses and rejuvenate your skin, leaving your feet feeling soft and smooth. This potent formula tackles even the most stubborn calluses. It's guaranteed to renew and restore the health of your feet, leaving them ready for sandals or any occasion. It's formulated with simple, effective ingredients including water, glycerin, mint, and a refreshing fragrance. Experience the difference of a gentle yet powerful formula. What we like. This gel works quickly to soften even the toughest calluses. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly into your existing routine. If you need a quick and effective solution for stubborn calluses, this gel is ideal. What people say. It's so gentle on the skin and no harsh smells and really does help remove the dead skin. It softened the callus to point to where I could finally remove most of it. After just one use, I noticed a major difference. My rough heels and thick calluses were noticeably smoother. The design is easy to grip, and it feels durable and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.